Hi, I'm Alan and I'm the Communication Rights Officer for YEPS. Nearly 5,000 young people aged 11 to 25 across RCT took part in our Your Voice survey in 2023 and told us about your views, thoughts and opinions on the topics that matter to you. We were excited to hear about what you knew and understood about young people's rights. Nearly 90% of you knew you had rights, but 67% of you felt as though you weren't taught enough about them. You have the right to have your voice heard on things that affect you, and a way this can be done is through youth forums. 31% of you know about youth forums, but 58% of you didn't know if they made much of a difference. If this is something that interests you, you can find out more information at yeps.wales. When you were asked about your views on things that affect you, over 1,500 of you said you were sometimes asked. 3/5 of you shared this was by your family members. County Youth Forum is a chance for you to speak up on issues that affect young people and drive forward change. Nearly 1,000 of you were aware of County Youth Forum, but over 80% of you were not sure how to contact it. Over 2,000 young people said they intended to vote when they were old enough, and just under 900 young people didn't know how to vote at all. Your voice will be used to help RCT Council, YEPS and other organisations to deliver things that matter to you. If you want to find out more about Your Voice, you can find it in the link below or just scan the QR code.